Hey everyone, it's MK.
And Ellen.
Welcome back to MK Quilts. Ellen is super
so
excited today.
I'm so excited.
So I am going to kind of let her take the lead. So what have we got here, Ellen?
Okay, those that know her are also going to be like, oh, you have what? Okay, so we have Pumpkin Patch from Wecker Frisch, who now designs for Riley Blake. And it's awesome. It's just the coolest thing. It's the coolest thing. So Pumpkin Patch is her new vintage-inspired retro craziness. I mean, it's totally her style if you know her style.
Okay, this I can get behind this.
I'm so excited. Okay, so we have 3 different panels and then some fabrics and then 2 kits as well. So we have large happy pumpkin dancing on a fence. Okay, so this is panel number 1. Panel number 2. Oh, and we have a kit planned, so hold. Panel number 2 are the big patches. And also still all vintage inspired. Look at their faces! Oh, they're so
They
cute.
do have really cute little eyelashes by their eyes. This guy,
I know, but she's so sweet. I love them. So this one you could do like maybe throw pillows or like big squares and patchwork around it, but really big kind of set of panels. And then the last one is the seed packets, which she's known for. Now we didn't chop this up because we really weren't sure how much people would want of the seed packets. Okay, so I mean, look at the butt, right? He's a sweet potato. He's fabulous. Oh, I just love it so much.
and look at this little guy or gal with her bonnet, which is actually a pumpkin.
No, she's the cantaloupe. She's the cantaloupe. We've got Roots. He's the golden pumpkin.
Okay.
Yeah, see, gosh, they're just, I can't explain how much I love this group. It's so weird and freaky, but awesome. Okay, so this is a panel. Online we're selling it as yardage. In store we'll cut basically 2 rows as a third because we also want to make sure when we're cutting we're not cutting through anything, you know.
We would never do that on this.
Right, but 1 yard cuts even. So we just didn't cut this up yet. But yeah, and there's a kit involved with this one. Okay, here, hold those. All right, then we've got the seed patches that is like a toss. Okay, on black. We've got some cool roof fabric. We've got the vegetables on gray. And all, make sure it's the right side. Right, gosh, it's so cool. It looks like stamps. You know, like old stamp prints.
Yeah.
There's some text of hers down here on the bottom. Here, we'll pull this so you can see is her crazy, just wild pumpkin faces.
Those are cute.
Right, they're so cute. Okay, so we have 2 pre-cuts on the way. So our panel-based kits, I should say, are currently set to pre-order because they need the pre-cuts. Right from. So we're going to show you them. You can pre-order them, but again, we won't sell them until, you know, the pre-cuts arrive. So the one that uses the big pumpkin, the first one we showed.
Okay.
Pull out Jack again. Oh, Jack's upside down.
Oh, Jack.
I'm calling him Jack because that's what his name should be. Okay. So using this panel is Patchy Panel Quilt. So nice and simple. It uses 2 5-inch square packs with it that kind of go around and frame it from it. So nice, really simple to show off Jack. Okay. So this is kit number 1 you can get. Kit number 2 is using Wecker Frisch house kit. Now, it's called Cabin Chills, but it's a well-known pattern of hers that she's done these houses, and it's typically her old maids that are inside of it. It is using the seed packets. So the seed packets are included in the kit. They are the ones that are actually inside the frames, but we need her 10-inch square pack to actually make the houses.
So that's another thing we're waiting on.
Right, so that's what we're waiting on for this one.
Okay.
And all, but that's the other one. So we've got 2 projects planned. I've already claimed each of them for me. And all.
Well, you mean you're spending some money at the
know,
shop?
I'm really hesitant to, but these were just ages ago. And I was only going to get this one because I've always wanted to do her houses with the maids, but this is so much better. And then I showed Zoe the jack, the giant jack.
Oh, the giant jack.
Giant jack. And she was like, Mom. I'm like, okay. All right, fine. I can't say no to her if she wants me to make her a quilt, you know?
Yes.
You say
Jump
yes.
on that one.
You say yes and all. So, yeah, so this is now here, now available, now online, and those are locals. When we had it in the box, it was sit-and-sew day, right? And you could hear through the window all these people coming up. Oh, wow. And I was like, I told you this fabric was going to be good.
Yeah, so that's just a little kind of a, like, if you want it, jump on it quickly.
Yes.
If you want the kits and whatever we got, get it quickly, because we don't know that we can get more. Okay?
Right. So I'm excited. I hope you all love it too.
So, you know, we're recording this video just at the, I guess, kind of middle of May, and it's getting really hot here all of a sudden. But we're talking about fall stuff.
I know, to cool off, like think of Halloween.
Yeah. And even up here we didn't highlight it today, but we have a really fun.
Yes, this is Hey Boo. So since we're here, I'll just show you the Hey Boo panel, because we still have a couple panels left on all. Hey Boo's from Moda. I didn't think it was Ruby. It's Lella Batik did Hey Boo. All, but just a fun patch panel.
So we have a couple left. Ellen had done like a basket thing on the long arm. That would probably work for that with some coordinates.
Nice kind of big baskets. It'd be super cute.
Yeah, and we are getting new Christmas into. It's just kind of
it's the season.
It's the time for deliveries.
Right? Yes.
So shop often, and yeah, pick up whatever you're seeing here quickly.
Yes,
all right.
Yes.
And then behind that door over there, still a little bit of a surprise. So we want to keep you interested and drop a little hint, a little carrot to keep watching and come back, because there's going to be big stuff happening behind that door soon and very soon. All right. Well, that's all we've got for you today. Thank you so much for stopping in. Thanks for all your business. And until next time, from the studio to you, happy quilting, everybody. Bye-bye.
Bye.